When it comes to preparing wholesome meals for your family without spending endless hours in the kitchen, this Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker is an absolute game changer. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, this slow cooker promises to simplify your cooking process and take your meal prep to the next level. With its large capacity, user-friendly design, and versatile features, it's perfect for those who want to serve delicious meals effortlessly. Key features: generous 6-quart capacity. This slow cooker is designed to feed a crowd. With a 6-quart stoneware crock, it can easily hold enough food to serve 7+ people. You can cook a whole 6-pound chicken, a 4-pound roast, or even make enough barbecue to prepare up to 25 sliders. Perfect for family meals, gatherings, and parties. 3 convenient heat settings. The Hamilton Beach slow cooker gives you ultimate control with its 3 heat settings: low, high, and keep warm. Simply add your ingredients, select the heat setting, and let the slow cooker do the hard work. Easy to use. This slow cooker's simple design makes it incredibly user-friendly. Just turn the dial to choose your heat setting, and you're all set. No complicated buttons or settings, just straightforward, effective cooking. Dishwasher-safe, removable crock and glass lid. When the meal's over, cleanup couldn't be easier. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are both dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to more free time. Durable full-grip handles. Transporting the slow cooker from the kitchen to the table or to a gathering is a snap with the large, full-grip handles. They make it easy to carry without any strain, even when the cooker is full. Built to last. The Hamilton Beach slow cooker is made with high-quality materials designed for long-lasting performance. With its durability and a 1-year limited warranty, you can trust it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Why you'll love the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker? Perfect for family meals. Whether you're cooking for a family of 5 or hosting a small dinner party, the 6-quart size is ideal for preparing large batches of your favorite dishes. From beef stew and lasagna to chili and pot roast, this slow cooker can handle it all. Effortless cooking. The beauty of a slow cooker is that it practically does the cooking for you. Once you add your ingredients, you don't have to worry about a thing. Simply set it to low or high and let the slow cooker work its magic. When you're done, just switch it to keep warm to keep your food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Ideal for busy lifestyles. Life can get hectic, and sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time to cook a healthy meal. The Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker solves that problem by allowing you to prep your meal in advance, set it, and forget it. Whether you're running errands, working from home, or attending a meeting, you can trust that your meal is being prepared without any extra effort on your part. Versatility at its best. Not only can you make traditional slow-cooked favorites like stews, roasts, and soups, but you can also experiment with a variety of dishes. Make breakfast casseroles, blueberry cobbler, lasagna, or even mulled wine. This slow cooker can handle all your culinary needs. The possibilities are endless. Entertaining made easy. Hosting a party or a casual get-together? The Hamilton Beach slow cooker is the perfect tool for serving large quantities of appetizers and main dishes. Imagine serving up hot, delicious sliders or dips at your next Super Bowl party without having to juggle multiple pots and pans. It's an entertaining game changer. Pros: large 6-quart capacity, ideal for families and gatherings. Easy to use, straightforward dial control. 3 heat settings: low, high, and keep warm. Dishwasher-safe stoneware crock and glass lid for easy cleanup. Full grip handles for convenient carrying and serving. Durable and built to last, backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Perfect for a variety of dishes, from main courses to desserts. Cons: larger size may not be ideal for single or small meals. May take up more counter space in smaller kitchens. The bottom line: the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker is a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone who loves cooking hearty, delicious meals with minimal effort. Its large capacity, versatile heat settings, and easy-to-clean design make it perfect for busy families, those who love to entertain, and anyone who wants to simplify their meal preparation. Whether you're hosting a family dinner, prepping for a party, or just making a week's worth of meals, this slow cooker will be your go-to tool. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.